Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm showing just a little quick thing that I'm doing here. I don't know if this will help anybody or give you any inspiration, but I'm gonna extend my desk here. So this is where it ends. I need space, of course, for the cords and all that, but I want this table to extend here. I want to move this part. This is my work laptop, which I keep closed most of the time, but I don't want it to be on the desk. I also want to make room for this little thing here, my pen and pencil and phone stand, and I want to put that over here. So I have this board, and I want this basically to sit level with my desk, and it will also be like an extension of the desk. So the end will be here, and then it'll go all the way over to there. I'm just going to show you how I'm putting all that together. So if you're interested, then I hope you keep watching. Since this is the piece that's going to be at the top, to make sure everything is level, I'm going to put that down first onto the floor. And then I want this piece of wood to be perpendicular with this one, and I'm going to have a second one over here. I have two pieces of wood this same length. So since I want everything to be flush with the top of the table, I'll put this one down next. And then I'm going to put this one here, and I'm going to mark where the top of the desk is, and then that's where I'm going to cut it off on this board and the other one. I have the two boards cut down. They will be like this. Just gonna mark it here because I want to add another board in between to brace these two together. So I'm just gonna mark that, and then I'm also gonna drill holes and insert the screws. So I'm going to cut another board that's going to be the length of that. So it'll be like this, but this board will be up in the middle here. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach them now. And before I go any further, I'm going to move this over to another table so I can put this piece in the middle before I add the last two screws there to secure it. Okay, so now that I have two screws here holding this and two screws here, I'm going to add the second one onto this, and then I'm going to position it where it needs to go before I add the top, and then I'll secure the top part in, and I'll show you how everything is going to go from there. And I'm pushing down pretty good to make this completely flat because this part is going to be on the floor. I'm just going to do a quick measurement so that I know that I'm drilling into the wood on this side. So I'm going to measure how far in the wood is on the bottom, and then take that measurement to the top and then go in just a little bit. look pretty later. For now, I'm just gonna put it in place. This is how it's made. So if you are inspired by this, or if you like this and need something for your desk, you can make this as big as you need. You can customize it. I'm just gonna slide it in place now and put my things on it.